So guys, this is me stenciling my cake. What I did is pull my stencil around my fondant cake, and then this is my royal icing that I'm just spreading on that stencil so it's evenly coated on every side. I'm going to be dropping recipe for the royal icing in the description box below, so I'm just going to do this to ensure that all sides are equally coated, and scrape off the excesses, and then boom, I'm removing my stencil. This is how I stencil my cake. I'm just going to be repeating the same process on every side of the cake. You have to have a right consistency of your royal icing. So one, it's not running. Second, it's not too thick or too thin. You just have to make it at the very right consistency, the paste, and it's looking nice. So once all sides are coated, you just want to use your smoother to just smoothen on your spatula. That's what I'm doing there, and just you can still go over it again with your smoother like I'm doing here. I'm just going to be repeating this process. So this actually makes your fondant cake a bit beautiful, and just not the ordinary design that you have. And it's always, most especially for wedding cakes and adults birthday cake, is always a game changer for your cakes. I hope you learned one thing or the other. I'm just repeating the same process for the down part. Now my stencil is not the same height with my cake. I hope you learned one thing. Thank you.